Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video today about Adobe Capture. I love this app. I don't even know. I've heard about it in a couple groups, so I don't know who to give credit to, but anyway, whoever told me about the app, thank you so much. But I just want to tell everybody else about the app also. So right now I am in Long Beach Island, and it is both a very sunny day and a very cloudy day. I'm not sure how that works, but if I'm squinting, it's because somehow it's bright even though it's cloudy. So I don't know how good the quality of this video will be and if you'll be able to see me or not. But anyway, I'm up on the roof. The ocean's back there. You probably just can't see it. Anyway, so this app, I will show like screenshots later of how to access it and give the link and everything. But I am obsessed with this app, and it helps so much for creating PopSockets. And I haven't tried it yet, but my brain is working on all the other things it could be good for. Like I think leggings, bathing suits, anything that you want to print a pattern on. So there's a lot you can do with the Adobe Capture app, but what I'm focusing on at the moment and what this video is about is the patterns. So basically you can walk around with your phone, turn the app on, and it has a little camera icon, and you can take a picture of anything and it will create this amazing pattern. And then you can take another picture and it creates a different pattern. You can move your phone around and it creates a different pattern. So anyway, I had so much fun just walking around taking pictures of things at the beach and creating patterns with it. And with those patterns, it looks so good on a PopSocket. I love it. So I uploaded 70 yesterday of just random pictures I was taking. It's so quick and it's so easy. And I mean, I don't know. I can't tell you how well they're selling yet because I just uploaded them. But I think it's definitely worth taking a look at this app and trying it out. I'll try to do a follow-up video at some point to let you know how well they actually sold, but I think they look great, so we'll see. I would buy them. But anyway, I will see if I can add in some screenshots.